Hello friends, I'm Suhani. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe of very colorful and healthy salad, that is roasted paneer and corn salad. So here are my ingredients. I have taken some boiled corn, some paneer cubes and some basic salad veggies. So first of all, I am greasing my griddle with some butter and we will grill our cottage cheese, that is paneer cubes, in this butter. We will keep the flame on low over here and we will keep tossing the paneer so that it gets golden from all the sides. In the same griddle, I am also sauteing my boiled sweet corn lightly with butter. This step is optional. So you can see the paneer cubes have turned beautifully golden. I am taking them out in a bowl and also my buttered flavored corns. Now we will start assembling the salad. First of all, in a big mixing bowl, I have added my sweet corn, roasted paneer cubes, some finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped onion, tomato, and finely chopped capsicum. I am also adding some fresh coriander and fresh mint leaves, some salt, black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, some Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and very little bit of lemon juice. Now we will toss everything together. And our salad is ready to serve. It looks amazing, very colorful, and it is very healthy and it tastes delicious. So thank you for watching my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Hit the like button, leave your feedback and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much.